Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to play Angel by Jack Johnson. It's a beginner friendly song. You're gonna need a capo for the third fret, and please join me, follow along. I've got an angel. She doesn't wear any wings. She wears a heart that can melt my own. She wears a smile that makes me wanna sing. She gives me presents. With her presence alone, she gives me anything I could wish for. She gives me kisses just for coming home. She can make angels. I've seen it with my own eyes. You gotta be careful when you've got good love, 'cause the angels will keep on multiplying. Oh yes they will. But your turn is saving the world. Just one smile and change all of mine. We share the same soul. Oh, 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 we share the same soul. Oh, 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 we share the same soul. Oh, 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 oh.